The Cargoe T5 is the latest innovation from Dahon, designed for practicality and offering riders effortless, luxurious travel. The high-performance inverted trike design offers a sturdy and controlled riding experience with responsive braking. Optimized size for large load capacity. Large 24-inch front wheel facilitates off-road performance. Lightweight with ultra-high mechanical strength. The aviation aluminum alloy frame features TIG welding for strong and smooth welds. Smooth ergonomic design with sleek paintwork for stress-free mobility. Utilizing Dahon's patented folding technology, folding and unfolding is quick, safe, and secure. When folded, its volume is reduced by 35%. The model saves on space and is easy to store. Dahon's fold-away landing gear wheel enables swift and precise rolling, an easy fit for narrow spaces like elevators. Equipped with a simple and reliable steering mechanism for easy control, the power steering interface is compatible for electrical assist upgrading. The cargo box is a real space saver and can be simply assembled, replaced, and stacked. The frame offers real stability with its ultra-low center of gravity and a maximized cargo capacity that holds 50% more than similar models. A child seat and canopy can be easily fitted. When disassembled, frame and components all store and stack into the cargo box. The clever design reduces packaging volume, allowing everyone to enjoy saving on storage and transportation costs. Dahon custom mid-mount 48-volt 250-watt motor, strong power-assisted torque, passed European safety standards with ease. Central axis torque sensor, perfectly combines motor performance and pedal power, precise perception of pedaling force. 4 power assist levels. Equipped with a Ricci internal 5-speed mechanical transmission system, providing 20 different drive combinations, plus strong climbing capacity. High-performance Samsung lithium 21700 battery with high capacity and larger carrying current. Outperforms 18650 cells. Faster and continuous power delivery with better performance for your load. Battery capacity of 48 volts 20 amp hours as standard. Long range under rated loads of approximately 125 kilometers. Max load including rider, load, and bike 250 kilograms. Dahon is a brand with more than 40 years pedigree. Guinness World Record title for world's largest manufacturer of folding bikes. More than 500 multinational patents. Most folding bikes worldwide owe their heritage to Dahon's DNA. Collaborations welcome. Accept no imitations. Born from Dahon's awesome folding technology. With consistently excellent quality. Other products cannot compare. Choose Dahon.